Hi there, welcome back to part 5 of the Turkana land expedition. After enjoying the sun, sand, and sea for a couple of days, we decided it was time to head back to Nairobi. A journey we planned will take 3 days with 2 overnight stops at Marich Pass and the second stop at Eldoret before getting to Nairobi. As co-leader Dr. Kangede always says, it's about the journey, not the destination. Let's see how it all goes. Now remember to subscribe and hit the bell. Alrighty then.
Come slowly, just like that. Just come. This I want you to step here. Touch one on either leg, yeah? Don't step too much, eh? Okay. Try and be constant. The speed you feel it's going, the speed you feel it's going, we'll maintain. Ready? Twende. Wanaweka sahihi? Wako tayari? Wewe enda. Wataweka where you need. Twende. Oh.
Tread boards in. There's no one that's spinning.
Hey, what's happening? It's not moving. Wake up.
Itaenda tu sahi.
Unaingia? Songa mbele kidogo. Hapo. Kuja hapo.
There.
Nimepata hii. Zote mbili. Songa mbele kidogo. Hapo. Ngoja. Ingiza ile. Haya. Move.
Wait.
What is Bogged? Bogged is nonsense.
Kaoshwa.
Naoshwa na mchanga.
Bring them. Kabisa.
Tumpe boards. The front one.
It's too late, guys.
Wait. Wait, the back one is the one sleeping. Can you reverse a bit?
Reverse of what?
Reverse. Because this one is step.
If I reverse, now it will be the front a problem. Where is it? Step halfway.
It's halfway, yeah.
So then I go forward.
Oh, he has removed that one.
Bring that one
Put
here.
this one here.
Put on the back. Bapi.
Haya. Sasa
No.
No, ndio imekanyagwa.
Leta hiyo. Nashika.
Sukuma mbele.
Nashika.
haya. Kidogo tu.
Yeah. Almost. Okay, wait. This one is out.
Haya. Go. Don't down.
Iko wapi?
A few moments later.
Eke, mweke.
On the way.
Do you want to talk about this to the group? About this anthills? It's something worth explaining whilst we still have, you were with Christophe when say we are just stopping to explore this anthill. Mike has something to tell us.
Team, we're just stopping to explore this anthill. Mike has some information about the termites here.
Okay, good. Some natural history lesson. From the man himself.
Put my hat on.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's us, Mike.
So this is a nest of Megatenes. That's the one through Savo. They're the red soil, those red ones, these are grey here. And it's been attacked by an aardvark on this side. You can see that it's all full of
Yeah.
they've repaired it. You see how they've repaired it?
Yes.
Inside here, for about here downwards, not far in, it's a series of fungus gardens.
Oh,
Fungus gardens inside there.
fungus garden.
Fungus gardens. They're true farmers. What happens is they chew wood, then they use it as fertilizer to grow little mushrooms on. They feed on the mushrooms. Now once a year, when it rains, they bring some of this up, and it forms little mushrooms all around. They're very good tasting, by the way. You get them, they're completely safe to eat. And they take some of the spores, and they take them down and so they're true farmers. Now, you go down to the ground level, and there's where the green cell is. It's a big cell, usually about the size of one like this. Queen is about this kind of size. And the king rests because you can't keep the sperm from about much. She's laying somewhere around about 1,500 eggs a day.
I was about to hear a month.
The workers look after them and feed the young ones. They look exactly like the adults, and they gradually grow bigger. And if the queen dies, they can take one of the very small ones, the female, because they're both sexes in bees, it's only females. They take one of the females and they grow it up specially to be a queen. They feed it exclusively. Now the winged ones, just before the rains, they start feeding males and female young ones differently. When they come to the winged ones, they make a hole up here, nest, and they put a little kind of chimney, only about this high with this species, and this is where they fly from. And now a nest like this is probably about 30 years old.
Wow.
Right? And They have 2 flights a year, probably about 1,000, 1,500 adults coming out every flight. Then you multiply that up. Only one pair has survived.
Only one pair has to survive.
To keep the numbers up.
What?
1 p.m.
One.
One eternity later.